Good morning. Today I thought I would do something fun. Instead of a makeup look, I'm going to share with you some of the things that I've received in PR and something new that I bought. Let's begin with the PR. Kapari sent me a box of goodies and I've tried it all and I want to tell you about what I think. The it's Tropical Glow Cleanser, Pineapple and Papaya Enzymes Coconut Water. All of their products are vegan, cruelty-free, and I used this cleanser. I have dry, sensitive skin, and I used it with a full face of makeup, and it removed my makeup and my face didn't feel stripped afterwards. And the product comes out clear like that. It smells fruity and it foams up. The foam is kind of feels like a shave cream. It really smells good and fruity. Here, let's see. I'll add some water to it. We'll try this water. It foams up good. It feels good. It smells good. It removes your makeup. Although I have some Urban Decay lip liner here on my hand and it broke it up. All right, there you go. So I really enjoyed that. I like it. And like I said, it didn't make my face feel stripped. I have dry, sensitive skin. All right, and after I used that, I got out of the shower. And I used I lathered my face before I got in the shower. And then when I got in the shower, I rinsed that foaming cleanser off. When I got out, I used this coconut water moisture cream, Plumps and Hydrates. The packaging is really cute, right? Oh yeah, I opened it from the bottom because I didn't want to screw up the packaging before I shared it with you. This, how does it smell? It smells very soothing. A little bit nostalgic. And it smells really good. It smells like something I've smelled before. I think my hand's foaming up from it absorbs quickly into the skin. It feels refreshing. I didn't have any irritation. And like I said, I have sensitive skin. And so if you just want a basic moisturizer that doesn't have a bunch of other stuff in it that's supposed to make your skin cells turn over really fast, this would be a good product to use in the summertime, since you're going to be, whether on purpose or not, getting sun, and your skin is hypersensitive to the sun if you're using those products, retinol type products. So this is really great. Peptides and hyaluronic acid, rose extract. That's what makes it smell soothing and gives it that smell that's familiar. This was a real favorite. This is the Kapari Coconut Body Milk. And when I got out of the shower, I lathered up. Actually, I used this one afternoon during the day. I'll tell you what I used at night. I think I probably have cream on my nose now. I do. That's nice. It smells coconutty, but not like a coconut drink. You know what I mean? It's very pleasant. It does smell coconutty. So if you have good memories from coconut products when you go to the beach, you would like this. It's not a sticky lotion. It's more of a glidey lotion. I don't like the ones that turn into a sticky paste after, when you rub it in. And it leaves a nice sheen, see? So that's nice. That would be a good moisturizer to put on your legs after you shave. So that's the Kapari Coconut Body Melt. This quick absorbing, silky soft all day long. There you have it. This is fun. This is their deodorant. Neither Pat nor I use antiperspirant. And we both have very sensitive armpits. Like, last time he was out of town, he forgot or ran out of deodorant and went and picked up Old Spice. Old Spice is what he always gets. And he accidentally picked up an antiperspirant. And he said within hours he was itching. So I use Old Spice deodorant, not antiperspirant. And it works. I've been doing that for probably 5 years. So I've used this. It doesn't leave a creamy mess, something that's gonna get white on your clothes. And it just smells kind of clean. It doesn't smell like coconuts. I think that would probably be a little... Where's my shirt? Somebody stole my shirt. I think that would be a little off-putting to start sweating, or when your body heats up, to put off coconut smell from under your arms. So anyway, it doesn't leave a white cast on your clothes. And I wore it the other day when I went on a walk, and it was, you know, mid-80s and 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I did not smell like a billy goat when I got back. So it does control odor. Here's something else. This is really great. Really great. After I got out of the shower the other night, this is coconut melt. And if you love Hawaiian Tropic, you will dig this. Oh my gosh. It smells edible. So you take a dollop of it, and they say coat your whole body with it. So I did just that. I coated, and it looks greasy, see? At first. This really makes your legs look good. Gets rid of all that ash, and you smell like you have lathered up in, I got too much, in Hawaiian Tropic. Anyway, I covered my whole body with this. Here, we'll put some. Let's go back to doing the body again. Do my shoulders. See, it's pretty. It's got a pretty finish. All right, it's already soaking in. That one little scoop was probably enough to do my whole body. Anyway, it would make your legs and feet, you know, so your feet would be pretty in your sandals. See, and it smells good and it feels good. It's silky feeling. Anyway, I lathered up my whole body with that and slept. And the next morning, my body had drank it. I'm sure some of it got on my sheets. But it smells good, so. And I love coconut. Coconut candles, perfume that has, you know, a coconut note. I like coconut shrimp. All right. So that's really good, and that's the coconut melt. I really like it. There wasn't anything in this shipment that made me raise my eyebrows. All right, it's getting hot in this room, so if it's all right with y'all, I won't put my shirt back on. All right, I wanted to hurry up and show y'all this because I'm going to give this to Pat because I like to share, because I'm a sharer. This is the Kapari Lip Glossy, and this one is coconut oil. And what does it? A clear coconut flavored lip balm that locks in moisture, smooths, and adds shine. He loves lip products. So it is in fact clear. It's not overwhelmingly coconutty. It feels really good. It's comforting. And this one's clear, so if you don't want to add any color, that's a good one. It's not overly shiny either, so it doesn't make you look like you've been eating a lip gloss sandwich, you know what I mean? Another one, lip product they sent me is called Birthday Suit Lip Glossy. And it also comes in a little tube like this. I am not going to mess up my lip, but I will take a little, I've been using it, so it's got some on it. It's a nude gloss. That color. And it actually looks really pretty on your lips alone, but you could also use it as a lip treatment before you do your lip products, especially if you wear a liquid lip, or you could use it to add an accent in on your bottom lip. Yeah, my lips feel all cushiony. So that was all I got from Kapari, and thank you Kapari very much. I love all of my products, and I'm excited to see what you come out with next. I understand you've got a new product coming. Can't wait to try it and share it with my friends. Now I'm gonna put my clothes back on. I have on a Lulu sports bra. My neighbor across the street, I know, I went outside my box. I made friends with my neighbor. My neighbor across the street texted me at 6:15 this morning and said, I'm walking at 6:30, do you want to go? And I said, all right. So, you know, we were watching Sons of Anarchy. We finished the series, and I'm not sad that we're finished watching the series because it was painful, all the killing. But I was, seriously, if you have depression issues, do not watch the series, because Pat and I both were depressed for like 24 hours after watching the last episode. It was devastating. I think I even cried some. In Sons of Anarchy, Gemma was dressed like a rocker chick. So she had cool clothes, a lot of black, Gemma was the main character's mother. And she also carried a really cool handbag. It was by Betsy Johnson. Well, Sons of Anarchy was filmed, you know, a long time ago. And anyway, at least, was it 10 years ago? Anyway, the bag's not available anymore. So, but I was inspired for a biker chick bag. So this is what I got. It's got a chain. It's an emblem on the front that's got crystals in it. And the crystals are a smoky gray. It's by Zadig. Here, it's in my, this shirt's by the same company. Zadig and Voltaire. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description box. So it looks like that. It has these zips here. Okay, it opens up like this, and its main compartment is up here. And in my main compartment, I have my cosmetic pouch, my business cards. Here's what my business cards look like. And that's my business card holder. Pat designed my business cards, and he also bought me a pink card case. Isn't that sweet? See, what else do I have? Some gum floating around at the bottom. So that was in the main compartment. The reason there's not much in it is because I don't know, because I've pared down. All right, in the center here, I have all my cards and money. It's right here, and it zips. Then it has a front pocket. That's where my sunglasses are. And then it has a back pocket. And that's where I put my cell phone. So I have both of the handles hooked on there. You can shorten, here I can't see. You can shorten this right here, which I haven't done yet because I'll probably carry it like this because I usually have a lot to carry. Put it behind me, you know, because I usually have something under this arm, pulling something, you know. This is what I wore to walk in this morning. These are my Lululemon. These are my Adidas. These are my Bomba socks. Okay, so that's my haul. I got something from PR, which was delightful, and a new pocketbook. Y'all have a great day, and in the comments, let me know if you'd like to see a tutorial on this makeup look, and that's about it. Y'all have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you soon.